What if your WordPress could automatically create and publish posts without writing a single word? Yes, you heard it right. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can auto-generate and publish WordPress posts using AI. And now I have built in this automation by using Pabbly Connect, which can integrate different applications and start automating your work. So now in this video, as soon as I will add a new title over my Google Sheet, I'm going to generate an automated content using Gemini and add that post to the WordPress automatically. So if you also want to create this automation for your own business too, then let me take it towards my screen. Now let's automate our WordPress post creation by using this amazing automation which I have already created inside Pabbly Connect by integrating three applications, that is Google Sheets, Gemini and WordPress. So now as soon as I will add a new title and the description of the post in my Google Sheet, an automated content will be generated using Gemini, and that title and the content will be automatically added in my WordPress as a new post. So now let's create this amazing automation, but before that let's test the automation which I have already built in for you. So right here I'm landed to my Google Sheet named as WordPress post, and here I have created two columns, that is content, theme and description, and here I have added the theme or the title of my WordPress post, that is everyday tech, and here I am going to add the description, and we will check whether a new post is added over my WordPress account or not. So here I am going to enter the description as explain how technology supports daily life business routines. So here I have added the content, theme and description. Now let's move on towards my WordPress account to check whether a new post is created over there with the same theme or not. So here I'm landed to my WordPress account where I'm going to select this post page. So here I'm going to select this all post, and here I'm landed to this page where I'm going to search for the post which I have recently created. And here you can see this is the post having the title everyday tech which I have recently entered in my Google Sheet. So now let's see this post, and here you can see the same title, that is everyday tech, and this is the content generated by my Google Gemini. So now you have seen that within few seconds I have created a WordPress post by using Gemini. So now I don't have to write manual content or generate manual content. My Google Gemini will automatically generate the content, and by using Pabbly Connect, it will be automatically added in my WordPress as a new post. So now let me show you how you can create this amazing automation for your own business too. And for that you have to access Pabbly Connect. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on my screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code and get heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. Now for accessing Pabbly Connect, you have to open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will get two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can simply select this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, then you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and once you sign up your account, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where I am going to access this Pabbly Connect app as I am going to create an integration. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect where you can see these are the folders I have created, where I have created many automations by using different applications. Now if you want to create your own folder, then you can just click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and you can even select the parent folder for better organization. And now at last you simply have to click over this create button, and now I am going to create a workflow. So for that we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting two options, that is create from scratch and create using AI. So if you want to create your workflow from scratch, then you can select this option of create from scratch, and if you want to take the help of AI for creating your workflow, then you can select this option of create using AI. But I am going to create my workflow from scratch, so here I am going to select it, and now we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you simply have to click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide a name to my workflow here. So here I'm providing it the name auto generate and publish WordPress post using AI, and now I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is our first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as a new post or the new title is added in my Google Sheet. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Google Sheet. So now let's click over this add trigger button, and here I'm going to select my trigger application, that is Google Sheets. Now I'm going to select my app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheet for building the connection. So now let's copy this webhook URL, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet from where I'm going to receive the data, or you can say the title and the description of my post. So here I'm landed to this Google Sheet named as WordPress post, where you just have to go to extensions, and here you have to go to add-ons, and on the add-ons you have to select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the app that is Pabbly Connect webhook. And here I'm getting this application or this app which is already installed. So you firstly have to install this app, and afterwards again you have to go to extensions, and here we are getting this option for Pabbly Connect webhooks, where you will be getting this option for initial setup which you have to select. And you will be getting this initial setup dialog box where it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have recently received from a Pabbly Connect. So here I have added it, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the trigger column. So here I'm going to enter my trigger column as B, as this is the last data column of my Google Sheet. So here I have entered it. Now let's click over the submit button, and here you can see we are getting this message that is setup configured successfully, means our connection is built in, and now we just have to send the test data to the Pabbly Connect. And for that we have to receive a new entry or the new title or the description of our post. So now let's enter it. So here you can see I have provided my content theme as online business ideas. Now let's send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So for that we just have to click over this send test, and here you can see we are receiving this message that is test data sent successfully. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching the test data or not. So here I'm landed to my Pabbly Connect where 6 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, and here you can even see both these fields, that is content theme and the description, and here I'm getting the same content theme which I have recently entered over my Google Sheet. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app. And now as we have received the response, one more task is remaining, that you just have to move toward the Google Sheets again, and here you have to go towards the extensions and select the Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that your data get automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect and you don't have to send your data again and again to the Pabbly Connect manually. So now you can see that we have enabled the send on event successfully. And now let's move on towards our Pabbly Connect. And now this is the time to generate the content of our WordPress post by using Gemini. So here I'm going to select my action app as Gemini. So now let's click over this add new action step button, and here I'm going to search for my app that is Gemini. So here I'm getting this application, so I'm going to select it, and now I'm going to select my app event as generate content. Now let's click over this connect button, and here if you want to go through your existing connection, then you have to select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you have to select this button of add new connection. And now it is asking me to enter the API key. So for getting the API key you have to go to the Google AI Studio, and here you can see I'm landed to my Google AI Studio page where on the sidebar you will be getting this option for get API key which you have to select, and here you can see this is the already created key in my account. And now we just have to click over this create API key, and here you have to provide the name and select the project name and your API key will be created. But as of now now I already have my API key which I am going to paste over my Pabbly Connect. So here I am going to paste the API key. Now let's click over the save button, and here you can see my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting these fields. So the first field we are getting for entering the text. So here on the text I am going to enter the prompt which I am going to provide my Gemini for generating the content of my WordPress post. So now let's enter it. So here you can see I have provided this prompt or this text to my Google Gemini, and after this word theme I am going to enter the theme of my WordPress post. Now you might be thinking that I am going to manually do it, but no, I am going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I am going to map the theme of my post from the response which I am receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash symbol, and you will be getting all your previous application. So from the response of Google Sheets I am going to map the content theme, and afterwards I am going to map the description of my post. So here I have added it, and now these fields are dynamic, means now you don't have to manually enter the theme and the description. The response will be automatically replaced and new content will be automatically generated as you will add a new post or the new theme over your Google Sheet. And now it is asking me to select the model. So from this drop down you can select your preferred model, and now let's click over the save and send test request button. And here you can see we are receiving a positive response, and the content is generated by my Google Gemini. And here you can see the content of the post which we are going to add in our WordPress post. So now you have seen that within few seconds my Gemini has generated the content of my WordPress post. Now I don't have to manually search the content and type it, because this automation is going to do all these tasks. Now I'm going to add this content with the title on my WordPress as a new post. So for that I'm going to add one more action app, that is WordPress. So here I'm going to search for the app that is WordPress, and here I'm getting this application, and afterwards I'm going to select my app event as create a post. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building a new connection you just have to enter all these details such as WordPress username, WordPress password and base URL. So here I'm going to enter my WordPress username as admin, password of my WordPress post, and now I'm going to add the base URL of my WordPress account. And now let's click over the save button, and as I have clicked over the save button you can see my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the post type. So from this drop down you can select your post type. So here I am going to select it as post, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the post title. So here I am going to map the post title from the response of my Google Sheet. So here I am going to map the post title. So here I have mapped it, and now it is asking me to enter the post content. So here I am going to map the post content from the response or the generated content received from my Google Gemini. So here I am going to select the Google Gemini this time, and here I am going to map the content which I have recently received by using Google Gemini. And now we are getting this field for slug and excerpt, which are not necessary, so I am going to leave them blank. And afterwards it is asking me to select the status. So from here I am going to select my status as published, and you can select it according to you. Now we are getting these fields, and for this field, that is featured media ID, as I don't have any media in this post, I am going to enable this map button and leave this field blank. And now we are getting these fields which are not necessary, so I am going to just click over the save and send test request button. So now as we have clicked over the save and send test request button, let's move on towards my WordPress account to check whether a new post is created over there or not. So here I am landed to my WordPress account, where on the sidebar you will be getting this option for post, and here I am going to select this all post options so that we can see the post which we have recently created. So here you can see this is the post which we have recently created, having the title online business ideas, and here you can see the content generated by my Gemini. So now you can see that within few seconds my Gemini has generated a post or the content for my WordPress, and here we have successfully created an automated post by this automation. So if you're any business owner and want to keep your WordPress updated, then this video is definitely for you. So this is the way you can create an amazing automation by using which you can generate automated WordPress post content using Gemini and automatically add that post into your WordPress account without any manual work or manual intervention. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and create many more amazing automations like this with just one single setup. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.